Hello, welcome back to Learn Economy. In this video, we will be looking at the simultaneous equation aspect. Before understanding the solving session of simultaneous equation or the solution of simultaneous equation, we have to understand what simultaneous equations are. Simultaneous equation is considered to be uh, two equations. It can be a set of two equations, or uh, this includes a set of few independent equations. Okay, and this is also known as system of equation because it consists of a finite set of equation and there is a common solution which could be obtained for the equation given. In order to solve the given equation, what we have to do is that we need to find the values of the variable which are given in the equation. Here we could see an example of simultaneous equation, or here we could see the general format of simultaneous equation. It will be given in the format of ax plus by is equal to c. That is first equation, and the second equation is dx plus ey is equal to f. Here you can see that the variable x and the variable y are common to both the equations. Well, how can we solve simultaneous equations? That is another question which we have to ask. There can be two different methods to solve simultaneous equations. First is elimination method and second one is substitution method. We'll be discussing each of these methods in detail by using some examples. You are given two simultaneous equations. The first equation is 4a plus 5b is equal to 12 and the second equation is 3a minus 5b is equal to 9. Okay. Here, first of all, we are using elimination method to solve this equation. So, by using elimination method, how can we solve this equations? Is the first question. We have to find the values of both a and b. That is our task here. So just number the equation as 1 and 2. The first equation is given as equation 1, and the second equation is given as equation number 2. The step 1 that you have to do in this set of equations or simultaneous equation is that we have to understand that the coefficient of variable b that is equal in both the equations. So and here we could see that one has an opposite sign to the other equation. That means that when in one of the equation the coefficient has a positive sign, in the other equation we have a negative sign. So what we have to do is that add both these equations, add equation number 1 and add equation number 2, so that we can eliminate the variable b. Just take the like terms to add, so that we are adding 4a and 3a. That means that we are taking 4 and 3 because in both the case we have the variable a in it. Then we are taking the another term, the term which have a common uh, uh, coefficient, that is 5b minus 5b. So that we will be getting 0, right? 5b minus 5b plus 5b minus 5b is equal to 0. So that is equal to 12 plus 9. 12 and 9, these are constants. So that after solving for this set, you will be getting that 7a is equal to 21. So from this equation, we will be able to find the value of a, that is bringing the coefficient of a to the right hand side of the equation. We will be getting a is equal to 21 divided by 7, that is 3. So the value of a is sought as 3. So now you can substitute the value 3 in the equation, either equation 1 or equation 2, so that we will be getting the value of b. So we are taking one of the equations, 4a plus 5b is equal to 12. We are taking that equation and we are substituting the value of a in the equation. So we know that we have received the value as 3. So we are substituting a with 3. So 4 into 3 plus 5b is equal to 12. Solving for that, we will be getting 5b is equal to 12 minus 5. So 5b is equal to 0. When 5b is equal to 0, when we solve for b, we will be getting b is equal to 0 by 5, that is 0. Next step is we could write the values of a and b. So the value of A we have already received at it as 3 and value of B is 0. Next, we are using the substitution method. How can we use substitution method to solve for these equations? Here we are given two equations. First equation is b is equal to a plus 2 and the second equation is a plus b is equal to 4. Just just mark equation 1 and equation 2, and next step is substitute the value of b into the second equation, so that we will be getting a plus a plus 2 is equal to 4. We have to write a plus 2 within the bracket. That is very important. We have to because that is something that we have made substitution for b. Instead of b we are writing a plus 2, so that should be written in brackets. So the next step is that we have to find the value of a. So by opening the bracket, we have to open the bracket. What we will get is that a plus 2 is equal to 4. So that 2a plus 2 is equal to 4. So the value of a will be 2 divided by 2, that is 1. We now know the value of a, which is 1. Just substitute the value of a in the next equation. So we have taken the equation b is equal to a plus 2. Substituting the value there, b is equal to 1 plus 2. So the value of b we have received it as 3. So the solution for simultaneous equation is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3. I hope you understood both elimination method and substitution method to solve simultaneous equation. So with that, we end today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos, and you can be a part of my Telegram group and Telegram channel to discuss your doubts, not only in the arena of in mathematical economics, but also in case of economics, the subject as general. You can discuss your doubts, you can get your clarifications, etc. by being a part of the group as well as the channel. So that's all. We end. Thank you.